So our next topic is circle. Now what is a circle? Circle is a simple closed curve with some special properties. Okay, you all are aware of circle. Now what is circle? Circle is a simple closed curve. Simple because it do not, the line does not cross each other. Closed because it is a closed curve. So simple closed curve with some special properties. It has some special properties. Okay, so circle is a simple closed curve with some special properties. Now let's see what are these properties. So this is a circle. As you can see on the screen, this is a circle, and this is the midpoint of the circle, which is known as the center. Okay, the midpoint of the circle is known as the center. So C is the center of a circle. Now we will put some points here. Suppose point P and point Q. So point P and Q are on the circles. Point P and point Q are on the circles. Let's join C with these 2 points. So the line that joins the center with any point on the circle is called radius. Okay, so what is a radius? Radius is the line that joins the center to the circle. ठीक है, सेंटर से जो सर्कल को लाइन ज्वाइन करती है, एनी लाइन, इट कैन बी एनी लाइन, इट कैन बी दिस ऑल्सो, इट कैन बी सम लाइन ड्रॉन हियर ऑल्सो, इट कैन बी दिस लाइन ऑल्सो, इट कैन बी हियर ऑल्सो, एनी लाइन दैट ज्वाइंस सेंटर विद एनी पॉइंट ऑन द सर्कल. आप कहीं पे भी कोई पॉइंट रख दीजिए बाउंड्री पे और उसको सेंटर से ज्वाइन कर दीजिए. सो दैट विल बी योर रेडियस. ओके, सो हियर वी हैव ड्रॉन 2 रेडियस दैट आर रेडियस आर CP and CQ. Okay, so what is the plural form of this radius? Radius is a singular term. The plural is radii. RADII. Okay, so plural form of radius is radii. Now we have put one more point, that is point S on the circle, and join the center with this S. Now if you can see, there is a straight line drawn in between the circle which is passing through the center point C. Okay, this is a line this is the longest line in between the circle which is passing through the point C. So what it is called? It is called as diameter. What it is called? It is called as diameter. So what is this diameter? Diameter is the longest line. Okay, diameter is the line that joins 2 points on the circle and passes through the center. Okay, डायमीटर इज अ लाइन विच जॉइंट्स 2 पॉइंट्स ऑन द सर्कल, यानी कि सर्कल की बाउंड्री पे कहीं पे भी 2 पॉइंट्स बने हैं, उनको जो लाइन ज्वाइन कर रही है और जो सेंटर से भी जा रही हो, सेंटर के होते हुए जो लाइन 2 पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करे, उसे हम कहते हैं डायमीटर. ओके, सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द डायमीटर ऑफ सर्कल. इस सर्कल का ये एक डायमीटर है. डायमीटर कितने भी हो सकते हैं, आप किसी भी 2 पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन कर दीजिए, वो डायमीटर हो जाएगा. This either this point or these or this, but the condition is it should pass through the center point, that is C. So this is the diameter. Also if you have observed, the diameter is your PS. Also if you have observed, diameter is just double of radius. See, PC is a radius and CS is also a radius. Okay, PC is a radius and CS is also a radius. So, and diameter is complete PS. That means diameter is just double of radius. We can say, suppose D is for diameter. So diameter is equals to twice of radius. For example, R is your radius. So diameter is just twice of radius. Okay. Now, you know the line that is joining 2 points and passing through the center is called diameter. Now what if this line is not passing through the center? For example, there is a point, this point M, and there is a point N. Okay, and there is a line which joins these 2 points, that is line NM. This line is not passing through the center. So what we call this line? This line is known as chord. So NM is a chord. Okay, now what is this chord? Chord is a line which joins simple 2 points of the circle. Okay, आप पूरे सर्कल पे कोई भी 2 पॉइंट्स रखिए, उनको ज्वाइन कर दीजिए. कंडीशन कोई, इसमें कोई कंडीशन नहीं है. पूरे सर्कल पे कोई भी 2 लाइंस, उनको ज्वाइन कर दीजिए. दैट इज योर chord. Now let's again put 2 points on the circle. For example, point P and point Q. These are the 2 points on the circle. Now this portion of the circle, okay, this portion of the circle between 2 points, what it is called? It is called as arc. Okay, this portion of the circle का ये हिस्सा, यानी कि सर्किल पे कोई भी 2 पॉइंट्स के बीच का हिस्सा, कोई भी 2 पॉइंट, इट कैन बी दिस, और यहाँ पे पॉइंट्स हो सकते हैं, कोई भी पॉइंट्स, ठीक है, किसी भी 2 पॉइंट्स के बीच का हिस्सा, इट इज कॉल्ड एन आर्क. सो पी क्यू इज एन आर्क. Now how to define कि PQ arc है? So we use a special symbol for arc, that is this. Okay, this is the symbol of arc. Whenever you have to write down, mention that this is an arc, you have to draw this symbol. Now think why to draw this symbol. अगर हम simple PQ लिख देंगे, then it will create a confusion whether this is an arc or this is simple a chord. क्योंकि अगर हम PQ को join कर देते हैं, so PQ, see this PQ, it is a chord. PQ is a chord. ठीक है, ये पी क्यू एक कॉर्ड है, बट अगर सर्कल का पार्ट देखिए तो दिस पी क्यू इज एन आर्क. ओके, दिस लाइन जॉइनिंग पी क्यू इज अ कॉर्ड, बट दिस पार्ट ऑफ सर्कल इज एन आर्क. नाउ it is clear. Let's just revise. CQ is a radius, and again CP is a radius, then this PQ is an arc. Okay, and this NM is a chord. Yes, very good. Now the last 2 points related to circle, these are the interior parts of a circle. Now what does this interior parts of a circle called? Okay, so that this area, the area between two radius and an arc, is called sector. Okay, this interior area, okay, this whole area, it is called as sector. Okay, the area that is covered by two radii and an arc is called as sector, and the area that is covered by an arc and a chord, that is this area, it is called as segment. What it is called? Yes, it is called as segment. Okay, these are the two parts of an area of a circle. The area which is covered by two radii and an arc is called circle, and the area which is covered by a chord and an arc is called segment. Now that's all for circle. I hope it is clear to you all. Thank you.